Hello gang and welcome, Skypilot here. Something different today. Yeah, I've run short of drones. Batteries are all flat. Got some new ones coming. Yeah, cracked open a storage box. Remembered I had half a dozen of these old Nintendo Game and Watch games in storage. So I thought, well, I might crack a video and show you guys what's going on with these. If you're an 80s gaming person, you'll remember these pretty well. I think there's probably around about 80 of these bought out. They retail for anywhere from $100 to $1,000. As I said, I've got about 6 or 7 of them, so I'm just going to do a video on daily and yeah, have a bit of a play and hopefully spark some memories of the past. Hopefully this thing still works. Some batteries in it. Takes these little lithium CR, whatever batteries are, standard size, shove them in, push them down. So yeah, serial number on the back of these. You have to be careful of some cheap Chinese copies, but I guarantee you these are the real deal. Hopefully you guys can see that. All the ones I have pretty good screen and in really good nick. I did start collecting these and sort of gave it away when I started doing drone stuff, but there you have it. Game & Watch, controller, spray. This is the greenhouse game, as I mentioned, so game A and B, which is easier, a little bit harder, and it's also got the time on it. I think you can have an alarm as well, but she's pretty cool. Let's get into some gameplay. Okay, game A. Let's see if it still works. So the object of this game is to basically go up and... oh, I missed it. And spray the nasty worms. Before the nasty worms or nasty spiders get your plants. So you got to look at 2 screens here. These things were massive in the 80s. These are great games. Nothing like what you get today, of course. But yeah, hours and hours of entertainment. I can remember trying to clock a high score and get to 1,000, which is when the scoring counter went back to 0, which was really hard to do. They end up getting really fast. The spider got me. Damn and blast. As you can see, I'm not actually all that good at this game. I was going to chuck these on Evil Bay, flog them off for sale. If anybody's interested in them, drop me an email. You can find that in the description there. Name your price. I might even do them as a bit of a giveaway. I need some money. I need to try and save up for my Mavic Pro. It's proving harder than I thought it would. But yeah, this game works really well. As I said, awesome nick. Lots of fun. You show it to kids today and they go, what the heck is that? But yeah, I think it's cool. Love it. Quick video, under 5 minutes. Nintendo Game & Watch. Plenty more to come. Stay tuned. Smash that like, smash that bell. I think tomorrow I might knock up the Donkey Kong. Yeah, and be sure to try and tune in for some live streams I've got running at the moment as well. Good on you, gang. Hey, take it easy, have a great day. See you in the sky.